back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you where there's absolutely no phones, no talking. You will be listening to recorded phone calls and grading them and giving your feedback on them. Of course, if you like job leads like this, I just ask that you give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback. And of course, share with all your friends and family because we all want to be working from home, living our happiest, healthiest life with that great work-life balance. As always, all the pages that I share are linked directly down in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to come read reviews on the company or put that application in. But today's job lead is from the company CBiz. Now, CBiz has 790 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a quality assurance analyst. This is remote for the United States only. Now, CBiz is a company that delivers top-notch financial and employee business services to organizations of all sizes. But they are looking for somebody to provide a constant and actionable feedback on areas of improvement and help promote improvement of their call center processes or customer service processes. So you're going to monitor and evaluate recorded interactions. This includes recorded phone calls, chats, and written interactions such as email. You'll be given a rubric or grading sheet and you'll evaluate those against the company standards utilizing the company software and quality review form. So you're going to have a quality review form or checklist. You're going to listen to those recorded conversations and grade them against that checklist. You'll also organize and summarize the data to prepare recommendations for improvement on the customer service side. You'll also collaborate or work with other team leaders to share observations and suggestions. So if you have great customer service skills, this might be a way for you to shine and give your feedback without actually having to talk on the phone with customers. Now, as far as what they're looking for, if you have at least 2 years of related experience in some kind of a technical contact center or some kind of a quality assurance experience, you do not need any kind of degree. If you don't have any experience, they are looking for someone who has an associate's degree in computer science or related field. So if you have the experience, no degree is required. They do want somebody who has basic knowledge of quality assurance tools and processes, someone who can maintain their own high-speed internet access for working from home, work in a fast-paced environment. Of course, you have to have the ability to work independently and follow technical instructions and guidelines. Now, pay for this position is going to be dependent on location and experience, but ranges anywhere from $15 an hour all the way up to $20 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific in the comments that you're looking for because I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.